Anna is a young girl who loves to make the most of her day. Every morning, she wakes up at 7 a.m. She stretches her arms and says, "Good morning, world." First, Anna makes her bed. "A tidy bed is a happy bed," she says with a smile. Then, she goes to the bathroom to brush her teeth and wash her face. Clean teeth, clean start. Next, Anna goes to the kitchen. Her mom is making breakfast. "Good morning, Mom," Anna says. She eats her favorite breakfast, toast with butter and a glass of orange juice. Yummy. After breakfast, Anna gets ready for school. She puts on her uniform, grabs her backpack, and checks that she has everything. Books, lunch, water bottle, check. Anna walks to school with her best friend, Mia. They talk about their favorite cartoons. "I love learning new things at school," Anna tells Mia. At school, Anna studies math, English, and science. She listens carefully to her teacher and takes notes. Learning is fun, she thinks. Her favorite subject is English because she enjoys reading stories and writing. At lunch, Anna sits with her friends. They share their food and talk about their dreams. Anna says, "I want to be a writer one day." When school is over, Anna goes home. She does her homework right away. "The sooner I finish, the more time I have to play," she says. In the evening, Anna plays soccer with her friends in the park. She laughs and runs, feeling happy and free. Later, Anna helps her mom set the table for dinner. They eat together as a family, talking about their day. "Family time is the best time," Anna says. Before going to bed, Anna reads a storybook. Reading makes her feel calm and ready to sleep. She turns off the light and whispers, "Good night, world. See you tomorrow." Anna's day shows us how important it is to stay organized, work hard, and enjoy little moments. Every day is a chance to learn and grow. What's your daily routine? Share in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe Everyday English Learning.